One product that I'm especially excited about is Puppy Booster. For many years I've been suggesting and offering probiotics for just about every puppy and every adult dog that I see in many instances that we can talk about. With the introduction of Puppy Booster, we now have a cost-effective probiotic to use. And for those of you not familiar with probiotics, probiotics are basically microorganisms that live in the gut and help promote health of the dog. Nobody knows for sure exactly how these work, but we do know that it stimulates the immune system, and a large percent of dogs' immune system is in the gut. We also know that we see a lot less diarrhea in dogs that use probiotics, and there are studies ongoing now that show the effect of medical conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease and how probiotics help with that. So in puppies, we use it. When do we want to use it? We want to use it to prevent diarrhea. Puppies have a tendency to get infections, whether it be a simple infection like kennel cough, or we see infectious diarrheas. Probiotics are an excellent product to use during this time. And in fact, in my practice, a lot of puppies that we see, that's all we use for the use in diarrhea. Now, the other times that we want to use it is dogs that are on antibiotics. And as we know, there are a lot of times dogs are on antibiotics. Antibiotics actually are wonderful products that we use to kill the bad bacteria, but unfortunately they kill the good bacteria also. When we use a product such as Puppy Booster, we are adding and supplementing the good bacteria, which keeps the digestive health of the dog intact. Puppy Booster in my practice has a place for mature dogs also. We like to use it daily and recommend it daily throughout the life of the dog. And the reason being is that we know that it helps promote and modulate the immune system of dogs. And why not do that if we can do that cost effective? So it's an easy thing to do that we give orally each day of the dog's life. We're promoting their intestinal health because, as you know, it doesn't take much for dogs to go out and chew on things and get a small amount of diarrhea. And if we can turn that diarrhea around in a short period of time, then we don't have to drag your puppy into the veterinarian and treat them with medications that we would not have needed in the beginning. We also want to use it through the elderly stages of life because, as we know, we see immune problems in dogs such as cancer, and we want to promote health there. So the use of Puppy Booster goes throughout the stages of life. There's a lot of good reasons, and there's reasons coming out that we know of, such as inflammatory bowel disease. We use it in dogs that have intestinal problems throughout their life, dogs that have parasites such as Giardia or Coccidia, or we see roundworms and hookworms. We want to promote the health in these dogs. So many uses for probiotic, probably no good reasons not to use one.